Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to create an Android app using ChatGPT for free. So without wasting your time, let's get started. You can create this Android app with zero programming knowledge. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any other browser. Open Chrome. I have provided all the website links and details in the description box. You can directly access those websites from description box. First of all, click on first link, that is ChatGPT. Type ChatGPT. After that, click on first link, that is chat.openai.com. So type the prompt here. After that, click on send message. As you can see, ChatGPT created a HTML file, a style.css file, and script.js JavaScript file. Now we need to check that our code is working. For that, we need to open one other website, that is CodePan. After that, you will get this screen. So you need to sign up or log in from there. I'm clicking on sign up. After that, copy HTML code from ChatGPT and paste it into HTML section. After that, copy CSS file, then JavaScript file. So this is our UI of our app. As you can see, it's working fine. As we want to create an tic-tac-toe game with a reset button, and that shows winner on the next screen. So after that, we need to online this website on our internet. For that, we need to create an folder. So I'm creating a folder. Open that folder. After that, open Notepad. Now copy this HTML code in Notepad. After that, save this file. So we have created our folder on desktop. As you can see, now save our file. Our file name is index.html. Type index.html. After that, save this file. Now we have another code that is of CSS. Our name of the file is style.css. Now copy this code here. Now provide the name, that is style.css. After that, our JS file. Copy this code and save this file, that is script.js. Click on save. After that, convert this into a zip file. So as you can see, we have converted this folder into a zip file. Now open another website, that is tiny.host. Click on first link. After that, you will get this screen. After that, click on upload to upload the file here. Now we have to provide a name for our project. We have provided a name for our project. Now click on publish. So as you can see, our website is now online. Click on copy link. After that, paste that link. Click enter. As you can see, our website is online through tiny.host. Now we need to convert this website into our app. For that, we need to go to another website, that is web into app. After that, copy the URL and paste it here. After that, give name to your app. So I am providing tic-tac-toe. Now as you can see, we can provide an icon for our app. So if you have an icon, you can just click on set icon and then select the icon from there. And if you want a free icon, then go to flat icon. As you can see, there are many options. You can just click on download and our icon is downloaded successfully. After that, click on set icon. As you can see, our icon is replaced. After that, we have two options here. First one is free Android app and second one is dedicated Android and iOS app. So we want to create an Android app. So we will go with the free option. Then click on make app. So as you can see, our app is ready. We can download it from there. After that, click download file. Now our file is downloading. After that, go to downloads, extract this file here. Now this is our APK file. Transfer this file into your phone. Now I'll take you to my phone screen. I have already transferred the APK file in my phone. Now go to my files. Here you can see I have transferred this file here. After that, click on install. As you can see, our app is safely installed in our system. That's how we can play this game. So this is all about how to create an Android app using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for further notifications.